Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best soldering pencils in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Weller Soldering Pencil. Out of all the various brands of soldering irons and soldering pencils out there, Weller is one of the most popular ones for its powerful yet highly reliable offerings. Weller's PES51 soldering pencil comes at the first position of this article because this can be a great option if you want something powerful but also want it to last for a long time. Starting with its performance, this soldering pencil goes from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, which is on the higher side. Because this well-folding pencil is able to offer this kind of performance while having a watts rating of 50 watts, it can be considered as a highly efficient one. Pros: quite a reliable soldering pencil. Pretty decent performance. Efficient yet powerful. Cons: slightly on the expensive side. Number 2. Our second best pick is Baitaihem Replacement Solder Handle. Baitaihem is a viable option if you want something highly powerful yet affordable for your soldering needs, as most of its offerings are quite powerful. The Baitaihem soldering pencil comes at the second position of this list since you get a pretty large temperature range from it. To be exact, this soldering pencil can go from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. You are able to get such high performance from the soldering pencil because of its wattage rating of 60 watts. Pros: excellent temperature range. High value for money soldering pencil. Great wattage warranty. Cons: lacks any form of warranty. Number 3. Our third best pick is MIYAKO Heavy Duty Soldering Iron. MIYAKO is a relatively smaller brand on our list. But the brand is known for developing high-performance soldering tools that will get you the job done. This soldering iron comes with a 50 watts tip that gets heated up to 842-896 degrees within a few seconds using the mica heater. The heat that has been generated quickly dissipates so as to ensure the longevity of the soldering iron. Furthermore, this soldering iron uses ceramic heater as the heating element that generally has a long lifespan. The soldering iron features an ergonomic design with an ABS plastic reinforced handle that allows you to hold it firmly and securely. Besides, the handle has an anti-slippery feature that allows you to hold the soldering iron without any hand fatigue. Additionally, the lightweight nature ensures that you achieve precision soldering. Pros: lightweight and easy to use. Offers decent power. Lasts longer. Cons: warranty is not specified. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is JACOBS PRTS Pencil Soldering Iron. If you want your soldering pencil to last for a very long time, then you can go with Delcast and its soldering pencil offerings like the one mentioned down below. Delcast's JY60 soldering pencil is much more reliable when compared with most other soldering pencils available in the market. Other than that, it also offers pretty good performance with its given wattage rating of 60 watts. Unfortunately, this soldering pencil is not for those who want an adjustable one since you only get a fixed temperature rating of 361.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Pros: excellent option for long-term usage. Quite a high wattage rating. Includes lead solder in the box. Cons: does not offer a variable temperature. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Topzone Pencil Type Soldering Iron. Topzone can be another viable option if you want a soldering pencil that is affordable but still offers decent performance. This Topzone soldering pencil is an entry-level offering and a pretty good option for those of you who are on a budget. Starting with its performance numbers, you get a power rating of 30 watts with it. However, Topzone does not mention any kind of temperature rating with this soldering pencil, which can be a letdown for some buyers. That being said, one of the best things about the soldering pencil is that you get various accessories included inside the box. Pros: cheap soldering pencil. Offers various handy accessories. Decent performance numbers. Cons: does not mention any temperature rating. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.